Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. I am from Baba Masnath University, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Asthalbahur, Rohtak, Haryana. My poster number is A62 and the topic for the paper presentation is in silico screening of alanine racemase inhibitors from natural or synthetic compounds. Well, alanine racemase is an paradoxial 5-phosphate that is PLP dependent homodimeric enzyme plays an important role in the synthesis of D-alanine, which is an essential component for the biosynthesis of peptidoglycan, which forms the backbone of the bacterial cell wall. Inhibition of D-alanine is lethal to prokaryotes, making alanine racemase an attractive and potential therapeutic target for the antimicrobial drug development against various pathogens. Researchers have identified several inhibitors such as D-cycloserine, homogenesic acid, alpha-phospholin, hydroquinone, alanine phosphonate, etc., which are effective against alanine racemase. So, satisfactory results have been achieved by the inhibition of this enzyme, but the therapeutic effect of the class of inhibitors is limited due to their toxic effects. Further, the challenges encountered in designing inhibitors for alanine racemase necessitates the need for the development of new inhibitors with greater specificity and poses less toxic effects to humans. Our aim is to provide an updated status of known inhibitors of enzyme alanine racemase via molecular docking studies, which will be helpful in generating selective and potent inhibitors of alanine racemase, and to find out the lead compound and to understand their binding interactions with the molecular targets. So in this paper the selected inhibitors have been investigated for alanine racemase inhibition studies, and their in silico evaluation was done with the help of Schrödinger Maestro package of molecular docking software against the crystallographic structure of alanine racemase from Geobacillus stereothermophilus with PDB ID 1SFT having resolution 1.90. Selected ligands were docked against alanine racemase using Schrödinger Maestro package of molecular docking software. The docking parameters of the selected ligands are depicted in the table, and the different docking poses for ligand protein binding are shown via interaction diagram. Molecular docking studies reveals that among ligands docked against alanine racemase, ligand 1 L1, that is quercetin, it showed a significant interaction to the enzyme with dock score minus 6.175 and the binding energy minus 25.97 respectively. And moreover, the quercetin is one of the best known flavonoids, and it is a natural pigment which is significantly found in vegetables, fruits, for example onions, apples, blueberries, green tea, red wine, etc., and it has a wide spectrum of applications. It can be used in case of asthma, diabetes, mood disorders, immunity and infections, for gastroprotection. It has some anti-cancer and anti-obesity properties also. It can be used in case of arthritis also. So it plays a very important role of antioxidant agent, or we can say that it is a very important antioxidant that helps the body to combat the free radical damage. It also supports a healthy immune response. It supports body's natural allergen defenses. It may help in reducing the inflammation because it has a anti-inflammatory properties. It may support lower blood pressure level also. So it has some anti-obesity properties also. So we, on the basis of the results obtained from the molecular docking studies, this results enabled us to conclude that quercetin and its proposed derivatives would be useful antimicrobial agents and can be the potential lead compound against the alanine racemase in future. Thank you so much.